Hey, hello internet. My name is Pedro. I'm the creator of Cupcake and Dino General Services, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to draw Cupcake and Dino. We'll start with Dino's head, which is the hardest part of Dino to draw. Dino's head is a big square shape, more like a rectangle, but with rounded edges, very soft edges, because he's a soft guy. He's a softie. And we're gonna draw a little fold here, so he's nice and squishy. So this is the shape of Dino's head. Next we're gonna draw the eyes, kind of around the top part of the head. Just round eyes. That's the Dino way. And he's pupils, he's looking at us. And now we're gonna draw a big fat Dino smile over here. So he's really happy, and we're gonna draw his teeth. And also draw a little cheek here, so, you know, he's extra cute. Now the headband, very important, very easy for me to mess up as well. So it is just a straight line that it's kind of diagonal to his head. And we're gonna draw the little stripes. Usually in the show, if you count, there are 6 stripes that you can see on his headband. Unlike his usual, like, you know, 3/4 view. Now we're gonna draw Dino's body. Dino's body is pretty much another rectangle going down here. Gonna leave a little room for the legs. Now that's the base of his body. Now the tail. He's got a pointy tail. And the rest of Dino's body, which I almost messed up here. Okay. Now we're gonna do Dino's leg sticking out like this. Doop. And his other leg. And his legs are so easy to draw because they're just noodles. They're little noodle shapes. Now let's draw one of his arms. Like this. He's going like, I can't believe I'm jumping. It's so nice. He's got very soft, you know, also noodle arms. Now let's do his arms stretching out here. So he will be high-fiving his brother Cupcake. There you go. And let's draw a couple of scales. You know, he's a scaly boy. There you go. And that's Dino in a nutshell. Oh, we're missing his little rosy cheeks. I mean, they're orange in the show, but I only have a pink marker, so we're gonna draw his cheeks. His cheeks don't have a black line around them. If you guys, I don't know if you guys noticed that, and they're just 2 round shapes that go, you know, with his mouth in between. So that's Dino. Very simple to draw. These characters are very simple to draw. That's kind of like, you know, part of the appeal for us in the show. You know, for animation, these characters are so simple, so they're really fun to animate. Now we're gonna draw Cupcake, our more serious boy. But we're gonna draw him smiling. We don't want him to, you know, be angry at this drawing, right? So first the head, the frosting top. His head has one shape like this, and then another shape like this on top. And now the little top part of the frosting. In the show, we call this the fin. This is Cupcake's fin, even though he's not a shark. And that's Cupcake's head. Also very simple. Now Cupcake's eyes, they're beady eyes, and they're slightly oval. There you go. And we're gonna draw a big smile on him. Come on. Come on. He's happy. He's not angry today. And Cupcake's teeth. One thing, I don't know if you guys noticed in the show, we mostly see teeth, Cupcake's bottom teeth in the show, and Dino we mostly see his top teeth. It's because we feel that makes Cupcake feel a bit more mature and serious. So now Cupcake's eyebrows, which are kind of his defining feature. He's unibrow, which is just a big, thick, black line like this. And I can't make mistakes because I'm drawing with a Sharpie. There you go. He's got a little 3 hatch marks like down here in the back of his head. And now let's go to Cupcakes Body, which is very simple as well. You draw 2 lines like this, kind of meeting each other. And you draw the bases of his cupcake cup. I guess little paper cups that cupcakes come in. And he's got 1, 2, 3 lines coming out his body like this. And now we're gonna draw Cupcake's arm. Let's draw one arm kind of like this. And there you go. Let's have him like doing a fist. So it's like, yeah. There you go. That's this cupcake. And as predicted, he's gonna be going for the high five with his brother. There you go. All the characters in the show have 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, with probably some rare exceptions. But yeah, it's, you know, it's the Mickey Mouse hand. 4 fingers. And now Cupcakes legs are also very simple shapes, just noodle legs, just like Dino. And that's it. Let's do an explosion here. Bam! Because they're about to high five. And let's draw some little hearts on top of Dino's head because he's a cutie. He's all about love. And let's draw some stars on top of Cupcake's head because, you know, that's who he thinks he is. He's a star. He's a star, right? There you go. And that's it. That's Cupcake. That's Dino. They're pretty easy to draw. So I encourage you to do your own drawings and post them online and add a hashtag Cupcake and Dino so we can see it and have fun watching the show. Thank you so much for watching this video.